guys, this is Chamber70. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of Bachmann Terence the Tractor. That's Terence I got for my birthday. So here's the front, side. The other side, there's Terence with his snowplow. And the back, it shows some other Bachmann Thomas available to buy. Let's get Terence open. I had to put the camera off screen, so I had to open up Terence. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I just unboxed Bachmann Terence. So let's take a look at Bachmann Terence. So here's the front, side, the top, the other side. The bottom has wheels on it, so Terence can move, see, and the back. You know, you could take the snowplow out. I'll show you how. Go. The snowplow is out. There's holes on it so you can put on the snowplow on Terence. Now let's take a look at Terence with no snowplow. So here's the front, side, the bottom, the other side, the back, and the top. Terence in good condition, by the way. I had to put Terence back to the snowplow. Hey guys, I'm back. I just put a snowplow back on Terence. You know, I think I will use my Bachmann Terence for my new remake for 26th episode of Season 1 of Thomas Terence in the Snow. So, stay tuned as I did a remake of Season 3 of Thomas the Tank Engine Friends. So well guys, that's it with an unboxing reviewing of Bachmann Terence. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.